All right, we are going to look at Winisd for Jan 3 here. So the driver he picked is the 18 sound, 18. What is it? LW 2400. And after bracing, driver, and all that stuff, I came out to 5.8 cubic feet. It was basically 0.20s with the slot port needed to be subtracted. I think what he said is he had 6.2 cubic feet, so bracing and all that stuff, it took it down to 5.8 cubic feet for the total area. Now I'm going to put in 30 hertz for the tune, which is right there. The signal that I'm setting this driver is 1200 watts. That's what it's rated for. Even though when you go to the cone excursion, it kind of goes over it a little bit. So we are going to put in a filter. Let's modify that. High pass. Let's take that to 30. I'll apply it. And there it goes down a little bit. Now if I send this like 1,000 or 1,000 watts or like 1,100 watts, we're like right there. Here, I'll show you. Let's give it like 1,000. Let's give it 1,000 watts. It's pretty close. And I think these drivers too, and that's at like, what is that, 11, the X max of like 11. So I think when people, when these manufacturers, they're pretty lenient on the drivers could take more, basically is what I'm trying to say. So okay, so now let's go to vents. I know you are in Belgium and your measurement system is different, and I'm having a hard time with that because I'm used to doing it in inches. So I'm going to show this in inches so I don't get confused. I know I sent you a message showing it in millimeters, and I'll show you in a minute what that was. So let's go. The one thing I'm concerned about when I do a box, I always look at cone excursion, or I'm sorry, not cone excursion, rear airport velocity, because you don't want the box to chuff. So right now at 28 hertz, it's 14.6 milliseconds peak. And that is with a vent diameter. See how it's square, so it's a slot port. The vent is going to be 2 inches high, and with 2 slot braces in the box, in the slot port, you'll have 2 of them. It comes out to 27.5 inches wide. That's the total area. Again, so it's 2 inches high. You subtract the 2, and it comes out to 27.5 inches wide for the total area. And the vent length is going to be 22.15. You know, it's 30 hertz, and Winisd is always off by like 1 hertz, plus or minus. You don't know until you actually measure the box with like a DAT system or something. So if you made the vent actually like 22 inches right on the dot, you're good, or even 22 1/4, you're good. Your first port resonance is 305, which is awesome. So this is what I sent you earlier. I want to show you real quick how you just hit inches. See how it changes? Then there's your millimeters. This is what I took a picture of and sent you. That's all I did. So I figured this might make it easier so there's less thinking. You wouldn't have to go like on an online calculator and convert inches to millimeters. But that's all I did. So I'm going to take this back to inches. Hopefully, I'm hoping you have a tape measure with inches. I don't know what it's like in Belgium because I live in USA, so it's a little different. But that's where you're at. Since I'm taking a video of this and I'm going to post it on YouTube, let's look real quick at, you're using, let's say, 2 drivers. Let's double the box size real quick. So that's what, 12. We'll do 11.6. So your maximum, you're going to be around 127.8 dB at 35 hertz, which is pretty awesome. 30 hertz, 126. Let's go to SPL. There you go. You know, the numbers are pretty awesome for this driver. It looks pretty good. Definitely a good mid-bass driver. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to upload this video to YouTube and send it your way. and see what you think. If you need any changes done, shouldn't be a problem. And also for port size too, what I normally do is I go from the front of the box to the back. So whatever that is, say it's like 16.5 inches long, and then basically just draw a line going front to back, and then start at that two. Say you're using 3/4 inch wood, I would put that the next piece of wood on top of that 3/4 inch wood, and then you start right there at the 2 inch mark, and then you count another 6 inches up. That's basically what I do. So that's everything I've also seen. Like guys like LTD02 on ABS, the Marty Fact boxes, everyone does it that way. I know there's been talk about port. You count. God, how can I explain this? It's like the middle of the port. You would stop, then you'd start going up. I've seen that like once or twice, but pretty much everyone's doing it front to back for the full measurement and then going up. So hope this helps. Talk soon. Bye.